Hi folks, Mark here from My Mobile Mentor, incorporating Audition Buddy as well as self-tape success. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you are an actor or acting student who gets more out of one-on-one training than you might do from group training. And that's completely okay because everybody learns differently. Feel free to contact us directly on 0412 786 549 or info@mymobilementor.com.au. Let us know what your learning style is, whether it's kinesthetic, tactile, auditory, or visual. It's very important that we know what learning style you are, because with self-tape, it's all about understanding how we can generate the confidence to be able to come across engaging, interactive, and energetic. That's probably the most important aspect of self-tape performance. Feel free to contact us and let us know how we can be of service. We actually offer term training from terms 1 through to 4, but inside those terms, we actually offer tier units. So we start off with the 4-week, then we graduate to 6, 8, 10, and 12. The 4-week intensive unit is an introduction to self-tape, whereas the 12-week unit is actually more complex creatively, as we actually observe and unpack the process of scene study in contrast to the idiosyncrasies and the tools surrounding self-tape performance. This sounds exciting to you? Feel free to contact us directly. Let us know how we can be of service, what you're actually struggling with at the moment, and we look forward to the opportunity of being of service to you. Here's to the power of great self-tapes, great self-confidence, and possibly leading to either a callback, the booking of work, or an employment invitation. Thank you, folks. Have a great day. Talk soon. Bye for now.